Removing the keypad side panel. To remove the side panel, you will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm nut driver or socket. Start by cranking the head up just below the top. From the inside, carefully back out the screw holding the cable guard in place and remove it. Then disconnect the LCD ribbon cable. Remove the 2 screws from the bottom of the side panel. Next, loosen the corner post bolts from the stabilizer with the 10mm driver or socket. Loosen the bolts all the way by hand. Gently lift the side panel up and out.